All right, we're on our way to the Appalachian Beach Run. Bobby's actually driving right now. We're just cruising and having a good time with some jams. We'll be there in a few hours.
Not good when you pull the harmonic balancer off and then it starts doing that. We'll fix it though. Yummy. Anybody for a milkshake?
All right, we're gonna start the recording of the rebuild.
The rod just fell out, so I think I might be able to.
Here's Bobby.
I had a battery charger on it. Let me try it one more time to see if it'll fire up. That's better. Well, what the heck? All right, what's the scoop here? Look at that. It's almost like brand new. Wait a minute now. What the hell? Oh, oops. I guess we should have tightened that belt, huh?
All right. Wait, don't start it.
I'm really confused here.
It's off over here.
Yeah, I get it.
It's done.
Oh, man.
It's all done.
It's good. Hey, what's up there, camera guy? Oh, you know what? That transmission vacuum thing might have. Good.
Oh, look out, look out.
It belt's loose.
Nobody's gonna smoke here.
Yeah, I think the background's got to be just.
You appear to have a cop that lives in the neighborhood.
Oh, yeah,
We thought you got lost there for a minute.